So this is the second part of the video for today, Wednesday the 12th. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's the slope of this line. It's the change in y over the change in x. But in this case, it's rise over run. And this is xy instead of x2, y2. So it's going to be y minus y1 over x minus x1. And then what you do, this is over 1, you're going to cross multiply. And when you cross multiply, you get m times this, m times x minus x1. And then 1 times this is y minus y1. And that's actually called the point slope form, the point slope form of the line. The point slope form of the line says you multiply both sides by the common denominator. I cross multiplied. It's the same thing. You get y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's from Math 1. The name of this equation tells it should be utilized when you're given a point and you're given the slope. Point slope form. When they give you a point, y1, x1, y1, and the slope m, and then you substitute in and you'll have an x and a y in your equation. So our last page, so this is the official formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 if it's non-vertical. If it's vertical, it's undefined slope, so you can't put in an m. That's the point slope form. So it says find the equation line that passes through 4, negative 3 and has a slope of 5. So this is the point x1, y1. And this is the slope, 5. So we do y minus y1, which is negative 3, equals the slope, which is 5, times x minus x1, which is 4. Minus and minus is a plus. So there's the point slope form equation. That's how easy it is. This one is for a horizontal line that goes through this point. Is horizontal x equals or y equals? You can flick back to the other page, but we know the slope is 0. And when you put a 0 in here, in this equation, this goes away and you end up with the y. But you get y equals, so let's do that, x1, y1. You do y minus 4 equals 0 times x minus 1. Y minus 4 equals 0. Y equals 4. But if you can remember that the y equals is horizontal, which one's the y? The 4 is, so it's just y equals 4. If they give us 2 points, they want us to write it in point slope form. So first we have to find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 4 minus 1 over 7 minus negative 2. 3 over minus and minus is a plus 9. 3/9 is 1/3. That's the slope. And you can use either of these points for our point slope form. So you can do y minus, let's use this one first, 1 equals 1/3 times x minus a negative 2. Y minus 1 equals 1/3 x plus 2. Or, if you use the other point instead, y minus 4 equals 1/3 x minus 7. So that's point-slope form. So we learned about slope today and point-slope form. So your homework number 3, 1.3 day 1, write this at the top of your page, please, before you submit it. Page 30, 1 to 5, 10 to 12, 15 to 16, 21, 23, 25 to 41 odd. Use point slope form. Since that's the only one we learned so far, use point slope form. This is due on Friday because I'll see you on Friday, and there may be another assignment tomorrow, so keep checking on Canvas. Okay? Have a great day.